Get ready to change the routine of your puppy or your cat by adding Oxyfresh to their water. This was a free example and my puppy just loves it. It's a water additive that is going to work on the breath, on the tartar, on the plaque, and also cleaning the teeth fast and preventing yellowing. It's also a veterinarian favorite. And here is the amounts that you should use per cup. So let's say a cup is a quarter of a teaspoon, or if it's sensitive for 1/8 teaspoons. So I put the measurement here so you can have an idea of more or less how much do you need. So this is for about 8 ounces of water. This is how it looks. It doesn't smell like anything. I like it also because it's very natural and it just works with your dog or your cat. And I added this here, and all I need to do right now is add water, give my puppy fresh water with Oxyfresh. I hope you check it out because they're awesome. Thank you for watching.